if you're using Claude Code, you're probably running into a bunch of limits, especially if you're using it all the time like I do on your laptop and on your phone. It's just what I do. Either you have the $20 version or the $100, whatever. I'm going to show you an alternative when you reach that limit. You're going to switch to a new CLI platform that will basically let you do less performance code, of course, but you can still keep working on your projects and wait until your Claude Code resets. Basically, this is going to be very quick. So, if you're using Claude Code, if you're using Claude Code over here, as you see here, I'm not the best at drawing. We're going to switch you over to something called Open Code. If y'all know what it is, it's not as high performance as Claude Code, but you can still get a lot of the things you want to get done in the meantime. While Claude is, you have to wait till 350 to use it again. So basically, right here, I'm just going to show you how to download this and start using it. Then, now understand this is definitely going to give you less performance for sure. And as you see, my drawing sucks, but this is definitely going to give you less performance. So use it as you can, and you can test it on yourself. So basically, come over here. Here it basically shows you easily how to download it, but I'll still guide you through the process. So come over here to Open Code, opencode.ai. Then you're going to click this right here, right? Basically, I have Windows, I have Mac. If you have Windows, of course, you can download it and use that as desktop, or if you like using it through the CLI, you can do that. But you're going to come here and you're just going to paste that in, right? Mine is actually already installed, so it's going to show that. But once yours installs and finishes, you're going to see a bunch of code and everything. Once that's done, you come through and type Open Code. Right now, here we go. You see Open Code here, and basically, I'm gonna zoom in. It's gonna have its own type of application, so it's not gonna look like the normal CLI that you see. So you basically ask anything. So it's just like Claude Code. So can you help me make a dashboard for influencers, right? And it looks like this, and you can come over here if you want and connect any MCP servers, or you can actually connect OpenAI, Claude, and everything to this as well. Like I said, this is definitely going to do less performance than Claude Code, but it's going to be free the entire time. You can see some of this is still connected to some of my projects that I have. So use this as an alternative. Keep working on your projects, and while you're waiting for your Claude Code limit, just play around with this. So other than that, have a good one. It's going to be a short video. Hope this helped. If you do not know what Open Code is, start using it if your Claude Code hits limits.